Why you can't give me
You can't take care of her.
Yes, I can.
Imagine this. A mother walks into a sheriff's office, her heart pounding, ready to reclaim her 9-year-old daughter after years of separation. But what should be a joyful reunion turns into a nightmare of accusations, blocked doors, and handcuffs. This is the raw Bodycam story of Gabriela, a desperate mom fighting to get her little girl back from grandparents who've raised her for 5 years. The conflict? No court order in sight, a jailed father, and a child who whispers she doesn't want to go. It's a gut-wrenching tug-of-war that exposes the raw pain of family breakdowns in America. How far would you go for your child? And what happens when love clashes with the law? Stick around as we break this down step by step. You won't believe how quickly it escalates.
His power attorney and those are the paperwork that she gave. She even bring police to the house already in 2022. Said she come for her daughter. When I gave the police all those paperwork, they went back and tell her she cannot get the child because I have legal documents showing with stamp and everything that the child is in my custody. The daddy leave the child is in my custody. Because she didn't live anywhere. She was from motel to motel, and DCF and her with a problem with her kids.
Okay, hold on. Let me read this, okay?
But here's a question that will keep you hooked. What hidden documents did the grandparents pull out that stopped everything cold? And why did the child choose sides in a way that shattered her mom? Let's build this story from the ground up, revealing the drama layer by layer.
Okay, so I can't remove her from their custody.
They don't have custody.
Okay, but right now it shows
The dad's in jail.
Okay. Listen, they said they've had her for a while.
He's not even out here.
Okay.
She's been with her for 5 years. I've been taking
No,
care of
for
her.
3 years, and I've been calling the police to her house and trying to get her with me. And the attorney just told me she has no court order.
How old is she?
She's 6. I mean, not she's 6. I'm sorry, I have a 6-year-old. She's 9. She's 9.
You don't even know your mother.
Because I have a 6-year-old in the car. I have a 6-year-old in the car. I have 4 kids.
Hey. What's her name?
This is Marissa.
Marissa?
That's my oldest daughter.
Marissa.
She needs to come with me.
Can you talk to me out here real quick? Will that be
They
okay?
brainwashed her. She's going to say no, she don't want to live with me.
Brainwash her, you just
Yes, she
said
did.
that I stopped
Hey.
from seeing
She
her.
don't want to come with me because they put stuff in her head. I'm not leaving without her.
Wanna come
I
out here?
I'm not going to leave without her.
She would tell
Yes,
you
sir.
everything, you know, she's been exposed to her boyfriend. God, no,
You're lying.
Hey.
You're telling lies.
Hey.
You're telling lies right now.
She would tell
That's a lie.
Secret papers? Brainwashing claims? What really happened? Marissa's decision will leave you stunned when you hear it.
Listen,
She's going to tell you
cut
everything
it out.
that she said.
Cut it out.
She's brainwashed. That girl's brainwashed.
Your name, Marissa? Do you feel safe being with your grandparents?
Yes.
Would you rather be with them? You don't want to go with mom? Okay. Have they had you for a long time? Yeah? Okay. Which car are you guys driving? The truck? Okay.
Brainwashed her. She's going to listen to whoever what she's telling her.
Second in her grade. Nurse school. Not class, she's a second.
What was your first name?
ANN.
A-N-N and your last?
They've had Marissa for 5 years since her dad, now in jail, signed power of attorney. Gabriela counters, "That's my daughter. Wait." Officers note the address and try to de-escalate, but Gabriela's frustration grows. Here's the curiosity pool. What paperwork do they have that's so powerful?
Do you know his middle name?
I
Initial?
don't know his middle name at all.
Okay.
I met him when I was 14 years old.
I got you. Do you know his address, or he's just at the jail right now? 5700 Star?
Yeah, well, he lives with her, I guess, but he's in jail now.
Okay.
For rape.
Alright, so I guess so everyone can hear me. I'm going to document it just that I talk to you guys. But as it stands right now, I can't remove her from their custody. So she's just going to go with them.
No, I'm going to take her from him.
You can't do that.
I can't do that.
Okay.
She has no court order, so I'm taking her.
You guys told her this?
Yes.
Show her.
This paperwork I just showed him.
From the liar.
You're doing something. You're showing him an old paperwork in 2022.
Look here, the officer can.
That's a petition.
You guys are good to go then.
No, she's not going nowhere. I'm taking my daughter with me. She's not going nowhere.
Okay. You can't keep
I
them from
can.
leaving the building.
Well, I could grab
Okay?
her.
No.
I could grab her.
Move, both of them over.
No, why you can't give me
3105, can you come this way,
her? Why you
please?
can't give me her? You're not. No, I want my daughter.
Move, both of them over.
Why you can't give me
Your mother
her?
can't take care of her.
Yes, I can. I'm a changed woman.
Hey,
I'm
hey, hey.
25.
Have a seat for me.
No.
Have a seat for me, please. Here, step out here with me, Marissa.
Officers confirm no force can be used either way. Gabriella reveals her absence. For 3 years, I've been calling the police to get her. She mentions her other kids, including a 6-year-old in the car. The emotional hook deepens. This isn't just one child. It's a fractured family fighting for normalcy. Gabriella blocks the door, accusing brainwashing. Officers warn her repeatedly. The drama builds to its climax. Her desperation turns physical as she refuses to let them leave.
She's lying. I do have a job. I'm a nurse.
Okay. Well, listen, your daughter does not want to go with you, okay?
Because she's brainwashed.
Okay,
her.
she does not want to go with you.
That's too bad. I'm her mother.
Okay, well, that's not good
She's
parenting if you're going to force her to do something when...
She's putting stuff in her head, though. You don't understand. That's because she doesn't see me for 3 years. My daughter has to learn who I am. Because she doesn't see me. They took my daughter away from me since she was 6. And now she was hurt. She was in distress. She was sad. She's probably worried about where's her mother at, you know?
She knows where her mom is. She doesn't want to go with you.
That's because they put it in her head.
Okay, you didn't even know how old she was.
Because I have a 6-year-old.
I'm just saying.
I just had a baby, you know?
Okay.
I do know how old she is.
Okay.
My head, I've been here since yesterday. I came from Mobile. I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I just
got you.
want her. And I do have a 6-year-old in there. I have kids in there. I have a 6-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 4-month-old baby. I'm not leaving without her. I don't care if
Okay,
she
look,
don't want to go with me. Not, that's my daughter.
Okay, but if you're going to keep them from leaving, locking the door, and stuff
they
like
can
that...
leave, but I'm gonna grab her. That's my daughter, man. The dad's in jail for her best interest with her mother.
Well, seems like she's doing good with her grandparents right now.
I don't care. You can see however you see. She could do good with me too. And her other siblings.
What I see is them being cordial with me. They're cooperating. And the daughter, no, you were keeping them from leaving. You're blocking the door. You're not cooperating. So from what I see, she is in better hands with them than you.
How do you know that?
From what you've exhibited so far.
So?
Really?
She's better hands with me.
It looks like she's in better hands with them.
No.
They've been nothing but cordial. You have not.
It doesn't matter how much you're cooperating. I'm getting my daughter. She's not leaving with them. I'm her mother. Are y'all crazy? I'm her mother. That's my daughter in there. They got her brainwashed. That lady's been talking about me for all these years. Of course my daughter's gonna act like that way. She didn't see me in 3 years. That's why she's acting the way how she's acting.
So you show up in 3 years from not seeing her and you just want to take her like she's going to be okay with that?
And then out of these 3 years, I've been calling the police like the same how I'm doing now. And they said that the same thing that you're saying. Gotta let her go. I can't do nothing about it because he's the father.
It's a civil matter. You're going to have to go through a court.
I'm not leaving.
Okay, you'll have to go through a courthouse.
No,
and you'll have to get court orders that show that.
I'm not leaving.
Neither of you really have anything that says you have custody of her.
That's my daughter. I can take her whenever I feel like it. She has no court order.
You don't either.
It don't matter. I'm the mother. She's the grandma. She's not even the dad.
Parents. So when they were leaving, she started blocking the door. She's like, they're not leaving unless I have my daughter. And she goes,
go to jail.
I know, and I explained that to her. And then she said, if they walk out here, she's going to take her daughter. She's not leaving with the grandparents.
Okay, well,
And
she's
even the
got to be
daughter.
trespassed from the station unless she leaves.
Okay. Well, if you could just explain it better, yes.
Or ma'am, you need to leave the station. Or you're going to be trespassed. And if you don't go, you're going to go to jail. Do you understand?
Why am I being trespassed?
Because you have no reason to be here at
Yes,
this
I do.
time.
I'm telling you. I told you in the front. Well, whoever I told. You can't say that to me. You can't. That's not your right to do that. I know my laws.
Apparently not.
You can't tell me that I'm being trespassed.
I absolutely
No,
can.
you cannot. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Okay, you no longer have any business here.
Yes, I do. My daughter's in there.
Okay, you cannot block people
Okay,
from
well, I'm
leaving.
gonna grab her and get my
Ma'am,
daughter.
you're about to leave or you're about to go to jail.
No, I'm not going to go to jail.
You absolutely are. You got about
No.
2 seconds to
No.
make up your mind. Okay, drop your purse.
No. No. I want to get my daughter, please. Stop! Let go of me! Let go! Stop resisting. I'm not resisting! Get off of me!
Gabriella resists a lawful order to step aside, leading to her arrest for obstructing. She screams in frustration as cuffs go on. Officers handle it professionally, but the heartbreak is palpable. A mother's love turning into legal consequences. What do you think? Show your opinion on below.
Give me my phone! Get off of me! Get off of me! You're in my arm! Okay, I'll stop! Okay, I'll stop! Okay! You're hurting my arm! Get off of me! No!
Come on.
No! Can I talk to you?
You can get in the car.
No, I need my shoe!
I'll get your shoe. Get in the car.
I need it on!
Get in the car.
No!
I'll give you your shoe.
You're in the car if you don't get in.
Can I talk?
You can once you're in the car.
Can I just talk?
Get in the car.
I just want my daughter, please! Okay, I'll see! Let me see!
At 1713.
Can you give him my phone? That's his phone.
Now, let's pull back the curtain on why this escalated. Educationally, for every parent watching in the US, this isn't just drama, it's a lesson in family law. In Florida, custody disputes are civil matters. Police can't remove a child without a court order, per statute 61.13 on child welfare. Power of attorney from the dad? It's temporary, not permanent custody. Gabriella's big mistake? Resisting without violence, Florida statute 84302, a misdemeanor that can mean up to a year in jail. By blocking the door and ignoring orders, she turned a heartfelt plea into trespassing and obstruction. Nationally, over 1 million child custody cases hit U.S. courts yearly, per the Census Bureau, and many involve DCF-like interventions for unstable homes.
We can't remove children. You know, if we think they're in danger, that's one thing. You know, we'll obviously remove them, call DCF. But when it's a custody dispute, the child stays where the child is, unless y'all make arrangements on your own. We try to just keep the peace.
She can visit the child, but she do not. She stay wherever she is and she file for the tax for the child. And I have to threaten her. Said if she don't stop, I'm going to let IRS make she pay back every cent.
Yeah.
That's when she leave it alone.
Yeah. Well, I would
for 5
definitely.
years, she's going to school here with me. She was living with her daddy. Her daddy end up in jail. I have her. I have the.
She's
power
lived with
attorney.
you for 5 years?
Yes, I have the power attorney.
Okay.
Year
What I
five.
would do is power of attorney is okay, but when you're talking about a kid, I would suggest getting something more concrete.
I get it. I have it all here, but the problem.
I'm
is
talking custody.
Just what I have all the paperwork here for custody, but
Okay,
they couldn't
you're going-
find
you're
her. They could not find
Gotcha.
her. Any
Well,
address they
what
went
you
to.
do now is you let them know she's at the Bay County Jail.
All right.
So, from a mother's desperate dash to reclaim her child to handcuffs in a sheriff's lobby, this Flagler County body cam shows the raw edge of love and law colliding. Gabriella was arrested, but Marissa stayed safe with her grandparents pending court. It's a heartbreaking tale that asks, where does protection end and overreach begin? Key lessons for us in America. Custody? Get a court order. Don't force it. Comply with police to de-escalate. Prioritize the child's voice and stability. family disputes, seek mediation before it explodes. If this story tugged at your heart or taught you something, like, comment what you do in Gabriella's shoes, and subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns that hit home.